This guide will walk you through the variant picker block and its settings. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate the variant picker block in your theme. To do that, open your theme editor in your product page and under the product information section, locate the variant picker block. To access this block's settings, simply click on the block like so. In order to understand how to use this feature, we first need to identify the variants of our product. In our example, there are 3 different variants in our product: color, version, and charging device. We can edit the style of all of them inside the variant picker block. There are 4 different styles that we can choose from. We can display color swatches, drop-down menus, variant pills, and quantity breaks. If you are interested in the color swatches only, please check the dedicated tutorial for them that's linked in the description. In this tutorial, we'll cover all of the other options. First, we need to type the name of the style we want to display. This will be applied in your variant order. Since we've typed swatches, drop-down, and then pills, color swatches will be applied on our first variant, drop-down menus for our second variant, and then variant pills for the last one. If we'd like to change the third variant specifically into a drop-down, for example, we'd need to replace the word pills with drop-down. If you have more variants than this example, then simply add a comma, a space, and the name of the style that you'd like to display for the extra variant. If you'd like to hide a variant without manually removing it from your Shopify product editor, then all you need to do is replace the variant word with hidden, and the variant will be hidden completely. If some variants are sold out, you can enable this toggle here and they will be hidden from your product page. Now let's edit the drop-down menus first. Scroll until you see the drop-down section. Here you can change the width of the drop-downs and make them full width. For more drop-down settings, we need to navigate to Theme Settings and Variant drop-downs. Here we can change the color of the drop-downs and their border, their overlay color, and edit the overlay opacity. Shrine Pro's drop-down menus are fully customizable, and you can edit them until they meet your brand's needs. For the variant pill settings, we simply need to click the button above in Theme Settings. Similar to the variant drop-downs, you can fully customize them based on your brand's needs. Now let's go back to Sections and in our variant picker block settings. We're going to customize the variant quantity breaks now. First, make sure to type quantity breaks on the first prompt box in order for the quantity breaks to appear. First, you can edit the heading that's displayed here. You can change the price layout and the colors based on your needs. There are 3 different quantity break styles and you can change them here. The options are classic, compact, and vertical. If you'd like to add a badge, you'll need to type it here. As you can see, the most popular badge is displayed on the second variant. If you don't want to display a badge in a specific variant, you'll need to type empty on the badges prompt box in the correct order of your variant. As you can see in this example, we've typed empty first, so that no badge is getting shown for the first variant, and then the most popular badge, so it gets displayed on the second variant. There are 3 different badge styles that you can choose from, and you can switch between them here. You can also change the color of the badges here. Now, as for the image that gets displayed, you can either display the variant images or choose to display a custom image. In order for the custom image to appear, we need to head back to our Shopify dashboard and go to Content, Files, and upload our image here. Once the image is uploaded, copy the link like so and paste it on this prompt box. Keep in mind that images are shown only if you choose the classic or vertical style. Now let's edit the content inside each variant. For the labels, you can type the name command to show its variant name or choose a custom name and type it here. Make sure to separate each variant with a space and a comma. The benefits work the same way as the badges. If you don't want to display a benefit on a specific variant, then make sure to type the command empty. If you'd like to show a specific benefit, then simply type it here, and it will be showcased like the free shipping example. After adding your benefits, you can edit their position, their style, and their color here. For the captions, you can add them in this prompt box and separate them with a comma and a space. Lastly, for the price texts, you can either type in the price and compare price commands to display the actual prices, or fully customize them based on your brand's needs. Thank you for watching and happy store designing!